Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're simply just going to be condensing my cash envelopes, so exchanging those bills out. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and get started with the exchange so that it's so that it doesn't take as long. All right, and I know the totals, so all the 1K slips, I'm just going to leave those in there. But then everything else is, I'll leave the hundreds as well. Okay, but everything other than that will come out. I'm gonna try this method first, since this will be my first one. And then after that, we'll see how it goes and whether or not I'll stick to doing it this way. And I hope you guys are having a good day. If this is your first time, then welcome. If you're returning, then I do surely appreciate your support. So I was leaving the ones in. Some 20s. So I guess I can use this time to encourage somebody. So a lot of people ask me how or when I started budgeting. This is still fairly new to me. I only started at the beginning of this year. So, I mean, if you're wondering whether or not you should, I'll be the first to tell you yes, you should definitely go ahead and start your budget. It does not matter how much money you are making. I don't care if you're able to save $5 a month. I mean, every little amount counts. At the end of the year, at $5 a month, that's $60 saved that you didn't have saved before. So don't be discouraged at, oh, I can't save this much, and I see they're saving this much. Don't pay attention to the next person when it comes to a whole budget. Sit down, take the time that's needed, establish the budget, and stick to it as much as possible. You're gonna make mistakes in the very beginning. Even I still am not perfect with my budget to this day. But I mean, the best thing is to just go ahead and get started now. You'll be surprised at what you can save once you actually put your mind to it, and how much you'll also be able to realize that most of the stuff that we purchase on a day-to-day basis is a waste of money. So I mean, we really don't even need it. We're ready to go ahead and do our stuffing. Let me grab this. So I'm just gonna go off of my template, and let me move some of this stuff. It might be out of view, but it's just so we can focus on what's in front of us. So I had it that Ariana was at $3,436. So we have $3,300. And all of my ones are here. So I'm not even gonna pay these any mind. So I got my 400, and then 30, 20, 35, 6. 20, 35, 6. All right, dance was at 166, 150, 60, 5, 6. 150, 65, 6. Okay, Mariah would be the same thing. So we need a 1, that's our 4. 20, 30, 5, 6. Okay, Mommy Town, we could not condense more than it is right now. So there is $35 in there. Remember, my mom had already gotten her funds. And Beauty, we had 124. So 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Disney is getting 1540. So 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our 15, 20, 40. So 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40. Clothing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. So I guess my washer is smart enough to where it senses when the water has just been sitting there. Junk freaked the mess out of me. So it is draining and I hear it in the sink. That scared the crap out of me. Tax is at 45. So 20, 45. Ooh, my heart is like, whew, having palpitations over here. Envelope was at 670. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 50, 70. All right, tithe was at 490, 3, 4, 50, 70, 90. Rent and utilities, I did not do. All right, so moving on. And loans, we had 625. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 25. Christmas is at 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Medical was at 60. All right, vacation is at 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I actually might need some more bills. Back to school is at, oh, I wrote that down all the, hold on now, back to school. That's wrong. Oh, I forgot the, oh no, I didn't. It's blending in with the I. Okay, 401. 1, 2, 3. Sorry if my head is in there, y'all. One, 2, 3, 401. Car is at 650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 650. Emergency is at 1250. 1250. W-2s, and gift cards. We're done with this one. And for my iridescent baby, roll over none. Pat gets 85, so 50, 60, 70, 85. And I hope I didn't forget 50s with some of the previous ones, because Lord knows I probably did. Okay, photos is at 150. 150. I'll double check and make sure after that I didn't skip any bills to where I could have put in a 50 and didn't. Hopefully I didn't. Check is at 150 as well. Daycare should have 414. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, and then 3,000 or 3K has 1, 2, 3, 50, 60, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 50, 60, 5, 6, 7. All right, y'all, so that is it for my condensing.